We're on our way to a happy hour event. I won't be drinking today, sorry.
Well, we're going to a really nice steakhouse, so I'm going to have nice red Australian wine. So.
I'm sure it'll be really good, but...
Well, at least one glass, so...
I will be drinking on Saturday night, right? So it's our anniversary on Saturday. How many years?
7.
7 years.
Coming up 7.
So our 7-year anniversary is coming up. It's actually on Sunday, but we're going to celebrate it on Saturday. And so I am going to save my drinking until then. Probably, I think I'm going to go out tonight. So there's a Rockaraoke that I got invited to, but I need to check to see if everybody's going. And if they are, then I'll probably tag along.
I thought that was today.
It is today.
Oh.
But it's later tonight. I think it starts at 8:30. I'll have to check. When it sees our face, it does little captures. I just noticed that.
Yeah, it does. You see the thing that says capture?
Yeah, now I do. So I didn't realize that this camera takes pictures. And so every once in a while I'm like, where is these pictures coming from? I've never seen them before. I didn't take them. I didn't press anything. And I tried looking at the manual and it didn't say anything. So I'm like, I don't know what the fuck is going on. So anyway, we're in
Bravern?
the Bravern, which is a outside mall, sort of an outside mall in Bellevue area, and that's where we're going to go and have happy hour today.
What up way high.
And so it's a really upscale, like super upscale mall here, and so we just saw like Louis Vuitton and Hermes and
Prada,
and it's just, you know, kind of very she shit that I can't afford kind of thing.
Yeah, if you want to blow 10 grand pretty quickly, you can come here.
Yeah. But anyway, it's pretty. Oh, it is. But yeah, but it does do captures and like photos and stuff, so maybe it's but I haven't seen you like forever. So I haven't seen you like forever. Yes. So we're heading to the boat show?
The indoor boat show, where there are tiny boats.
Where is it? CenturyLink?
CenturyLink Field.
Okay. All right.
fish trap, and we sell it to people all over the world for different types of shellfish. On those bars, you would need to cut them out.
Oh, okay. It's like a smaller version of our other powerboat. Still has the place to put the lines in. 115 outboard, and same as the last boat, a 10 horsepower.
Downriggers.
Beautiful downriggers.
Well, I don't think it comes equipped with downriggers. Oh, it has a little berth though too. It's like sleep.
That's kind of odd.
God, it smells so new. Will this be our next boat?
Probably
not. It's $58,000. I don't know.
Depends on what your bonus looks like.
It's not a bonus. It's my layoff package. What did you think of it?
I think if you find one just slightly cheaper, this is our boat.
It's a good fishing boat.
Some shrimp, some crab.
Mostly we just want to stay warm and dry.
And salmon.
And it doesn't need to be too big. So we're at the boating show, and I don't know what's wrong, but I am having a glass of wine, but I'm kind of in a weird funk today, or tonight, I should say. I'm not even sure. I'm also noticing that I'm not really liking this lipstick, but whatever. We're here.
I like it. It matches your shirt.
It says it matches my shirt, which I guess it does, but anyway, I guess it's in my mood. I was working on videos before we left, and I think it just, kind of wanted to finish that up and get that out of the way. I feel non-productive. I'm looking at him. But I feel non-productive today. I haven't been doing much of anything this last week, and it's just like, I don't even know where time's gone. I don't even know. Like, I barely am feeding myself at this point. So yesterday I was low on my macros. Today I am like 700 calories, I think, off, and it's already 6:30. Usually I'm kind of done by now eating for today, and so I need to get myself back into like some kind of routine.
This is what happens to people when they retire. They lose the rhythm of work that keeps everything else in their life in line.
Well, that's the thing is
and
I
then they die.
You're talking off camera, but that's the thing that I like that I think work kind of establishes for me is like a routine. It's like I needed to make sure I ate before meetings, or before I got this phone call, or it's like, oh, I was constantly aware of what time it was, what day it was, what was going on, what I needed to accomplish and stuff. And right now it's like I've been working on videos and working out, and I can't even clean the house because Katrina's supposed to be cleaning the house and she hasn't come over to clean the house.
She should today.
So I'm not doing much of a lot.
When you're on vacation though, you don't slack on those efforts to make sure you're eating healthy, you're exercising.
I'm not trying to eat healthy on vacation. I'm just trying to eat. Or, you know, like...
You maintain a certain amount of awareness to your plans when you're on vacation.
Yeah, but I'm at home, so I should be eating at home and doing all that stuff, but I'm not even doing that. So anyway, I'll figure it out.
Yeah, you gotta.
Right now I'm just tired.
You're tired. You might be PMSing. Don't know.
I'm pretty sure.
And if you're smart, you never say it. Let them say it. So you'll figure it out. It took me a few weeks to get a rhythm once I was laid off.
This is why I didn't want to start looking for a job right away anyway, because it just need to figure out where I'm at, and
What
I
you want to do with your time.
Yeah.
Find something that you like and enjoy for a while, because now you have the freedom to do that.
Yeah. Well, I've been liking the video editing, but...
And that's why you want to do it tonight, because it is actually entertaining, it's rewarding, and challenging. And those are all things you like to do. So I get that. That's why I built unusual things whenever I was laid off the first time. Building that climbing wall in my house was not something I would have ever thought to do when I was working, but as soon as I had a week off, laid off, I'm like, that sounds like a good fucking idea. I'm gonna do that.